If you want to get paid for hunting NFTs on Twitter, YouTube, Discord, then you came to the right place. First, how does this work? Second, where's this at? Third, when mint, and how whitelist? Okay, so I need to express this isn't financial advice. Please do your own research. This is only entertainment and education. This project is called Rekt Wolves, and it is basically a multi-chain DAO that is based on a DAO to earn model, which I'll explain later. The Discord has about 1,000 following, and their Twitter is about 1,500 followers. I tend to look at who follows NFTs on Twitter. So basically on this one, you have Terra Big Brain, Galactic DAO, Skeleton Punks, Hellcats, Wagme Monkeys, Trad Dudes, DeFi Jedi, and Gills following this project. All big names on the Terra space. This is basically one of the blockchain verification on projects that I do. Blockchain verification, basically on who's following them. Overall, I give it a check mark and thumbs up. So what does this DAO mean? You get paid for contributing to the DAO and you will basically receive a monthly salary. Rekt Wolf has a budget of 1,000 UST for these type of bounties, where you could either have a whitelist spot or basically receive $69. On top of that, you will receive a role of Wolf Builder and can be tagged on their Twitter page with your analysis. This is basically the function right now, which could change in the future, but overall, they have already been paying people. The link is on their Discord below. There will also be a bounty task and random tips for different types of contribution in the DAO. You'll also have intellectual property rights for your NFT and basically a commercial right. So this isn't just for alpha minters, there's a little bit more than just that. So look at it this way. For me, I spend on Twitter and on Discord to search for Terra and Solana NFTs. I have a 12-hour day job, plus with family and kids, it's a lot of time. Now here, if you simply have the NFT, you already have the tools and stats you need from this DAO to find your perfect NFT that you would like to mint or research even more. It saves time. Time is valuable. Just note, even after all this is handed to you, you will still have to do your own research anyways, but at least it saves time because you have tools you can use. So I would estimate I would save about 2 hours a day by having their NFT. That means in a 5-day setting, 10 hours saved. So one of the things I like about this is that they have Terra NFTs, and if you know me, that has been my main hunt, because in that space you basically have a second chance to become alpha in NFTs with this new NFT blockchain space with very little money. That is until the network grows big like Ethereum or Solana, and your chances get a little bit more difficult. Okay, with this NFT, you'll basically have access to their Discord. You have a channel for NFT daily reports. They basically go through the projects, the supply floor price, holder ratio, and 7-day chart, and etc. There's also an analysis channel where projects get a thorough review from the team and the community. As you can see, here's a screenshot of the Skeleton Punks review, which I'll be reviewing myself at some point. On an analysis page, it also says to make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button to see more of my content. But other than that, it's a cool channel on their Discord. Now here's the fun part. They have a bounty program channel where you can post your own analysis, and there are some really well written articles there. I actually really enjoy reading through them and seeing what the NFT is about. Here's the other thing. There is also, quote, Got Rekt channel where you can rant, vent, and support each other when a rug pull does happen. Because let's face it, rug pulls will come at some point in our lives. Heck, Mark Cuban got rugged. With high rewards, extremely high rewards, come extremely high risk. That's the seesaw of this. If you want a 3% gain with a risk of 3% loss, you have the S&P 500, but folks, this space is not that. And we have to accept that there are scams out there in the decentralized space. And this community has accepted it and will support each other when it happens, and will always try to mitigate as much as possible through their analysis. That is the key point. Mitigate, 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 and try to avoid rug pulls. But there are scams and will always be scams. So that's the one aspect of this that I like, is that they care about the community, and when a rug pull does happen, even if it's not in their community, it's something else and somewhere else, that they'll still take care of them and talk to them. Really love it. The only thing that I don't see much of it is the roadmap, but they aren't really seeking to make this into a game or metaverse world, so just simply a community to build alpha around mints. So should there really be a roadmap? In my personal opinion, I don't think so. I think this would just grow as a community to where the roadmap is the community itself. It will grow with ideas and innovations around payment, bounties, minting, and who knows what else. There's a lot of opportunity here, community based. So the people who are working on this are folks from the Galactic DAO. Thumbs up. You have Rekt Zerker, who is a Galactic DAO ambassador and multi-chain maxi. You also have Bessa Rekt, who is a Galactic DAO ambassador and Monkey DAO member. You have Rekt Kudo, who is a Galactic DAO member and an art director. And you have Rekt Donald, who is a Galactic DAO member and a UI UX developer. So they have an art director, they have a developer, thumbs up, and as you can see, they are all from Galactic DAO. So you can already say that there's little risk with this project. These guys are top NFT ambassadors and holder of the top NFT collection of Terra. Overall, I have huge confidence seeing that these guys, as the chiefs of this project, full confidence, 95%. Now, as far as the community, they are active in there. There is nothing fake about it. I didn't see no bots. It definitely looks like pure community involvement. And their artwork, I think, is funny. And this is what makes it special. Dude, you gotta see how it looks like. I think it's genius, just fits in right with the whole motto, and I don't see any copycatting of other project. It just really feels original of what they stand for. Other than that, check it out. I only have 400 followers, which is great for you because this is probably a chance for some early invitation for our alpha channel that will grow. If I would have told you this, if I had 20,000 followers, you would have no chance because people would be barging in before you. One last thing, mint date is on March 3 on Lure. It'll be 3 Lunas. 30% will go to the DAO treasury. Plus, it's also still earlier for you to get whitelisted if you get involved in the project. I love art. Art is beautiful, but deep down, I like to hold utility. And for me, I'm minting this one, no questions. The following number is not a big deal for me, nor does it matter so much to me. It's the people who are in this, and it's a very great community. It will be an opportunity cost for me if I miss this because it could be a potential NFT mint that I miss or network connection, which is more costly in my personal opinion. And check it out, guys. Do your own research. Please let me know what you think. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell, like button, and much love and peace.